everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at a beautiful 1979 Chevrolet K10 four-wheel drive pickup truck. This is actually a buddy of mine's truck. He had big plans for it, and now he's retired, and so he just decided he was going to sell it, so we're going to sell it for him. But so here's the history with this truck, and you can believe it or not, but he bought this truck out of Ohio. And the story with this truck was it was originally bought new by a farmer. I guess there was some tax incentive to buy a new truck in '79, so he bought this truck, and the truck never moved up until I think it was 2000. They said this truck had 110 miles on it. That's when a friend of my buddy bought this truck, and then he ended up selling it to my buddy Kurt. But and I still have copies of the Ohio title, and it shows 110 actual miles. It's got 345 on it now. Now the truck has been repainted. It was the original brown truck. It might be a little brighter. I would guess it's a real bright brown metallic. The paint coat is in the glove box for the truck. They put new tires on it, and I think they put some new gaskets in the engine. But the story is this truck sat in the barn for all those years and never moved. I will say this, good solid body on this truck. And like I say, you look at the rest of the stuff, and it shows its age. You can see the bumpers are aged. Obviously the paint's new, so it looks great. It's a beautiful brown metallic. It's got all the original glass in it. Factory chrome mirrors. And I believe he said that's the original seat. There's a little stain on it. We'll show you that. But again, it's got all the factory glass in it. Now you can see the bed. That's original. So it's got some rust holes popping through there. But he said the sides and stuff were just all kind of scratched up, and because people leaning stuff on it. Yeah, bumpers are definitely showing their age. Nice and straight down the sides. Again, they did put new rubber on it. He said the four-wheel drive works good. He said it drives out real good. And again, you can see the frame's clean. Front disc brakes. .350's got a brand new Edelbrock carb on it, new alternator. Like I say, they did some tune-up stuff to it. But again, you look, that's the original paint. There's your original inspection marks. 350 stock intake. They did put a set of headers on it. Aftermarket air cleaner, power steering, power disc brakes. Again, all that's original in there. It's all original. And you see the dash pad's taking a beating, but again, this is all original. Look how clean the door seams are. Again, he said this is the original interior. The seat's got a stain on it. They've set something on there. No carpet, rubber mat truck, which makes sense. It was owned by a farmer. That's just a little dust up there in the headliner. 345 miles. Radio delete. Makes sense. It was a farmer. It definitely needs a dash pad, unless you're just buying it just to drive and have fun with it. It's got dual exhaust. Again, factory rear end, all that stuff. Automatic trans. Yeah, it's just a little dust, guys. Clean truck underneath. Again, door seams are nice and clean. Definitely going to need a dash pad. It's just a little dust up there, guys, if you see that. Runs out good. Said it drives out. Drives out good. Nice and smooth. It's just like that's for me to put my hands on it. Fuel gauge does not work, it looks like. Everything else is just on lights. We can see this stuff. Looks like it's all working. Yep, backup lights work. They put a dual exhaust system on it. Yeah, no radio. Does blower motor work, Nathan? You can flip it on. No.
Nope.
Yep. Okay.
I did frost.
Yep. Probably hasn't been on in a while. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Good, solid truck.